The fight against the dreaded Ebola virus has seen some of the worst health issues ever experienced in this part of the continent. But it has also given birth to innovations such as the first and network tablets, which are currently being sent to Africa, Liberia in particular, for the first trials. The portable computers can share information through wireless internet and also give health practitioners an electronic medical record system which will monitor and track patients with a share button that allows them interact with colleagues or scientists in other parts of the world. This is the first time a robot will be helping to fight the disease, and the groundbreaking attempt will be utilized first at the Ebola treatment unit in Liberia, where aid workers will have a shot at the safer alternative. Debbie Theobald, an IT expert who is spearheading the project, has said on the matter, "I think that this system is critical to fighting the outbreak. This is the first time they will be using digital records at all in any of the ETUs. Everyone has been using paper. If they have had a tablet, all the information they are capturing is stuck on that tablet because they haven't been able to data share across tablets." The scientists who will monitor the progress of the devices will remain in Liberia to run the robot and assist with training the robot operators. The robot, with its display icon which has audio, a camera and a screen showing a remote user's face, will enable the trainer to help a doctor or nurse who might have questions about using the tablets or the Wi-Fi network while treating patients. And Ghana and Britain have signed a memorandum of understanding for £483,000 British in a deal that will see Britain assist Ghana in decongesting and distributing its prison population. The MOU will also include refurbishing and re-equipping the prisons to improve healthcare delivery to inmates, officers and their dependents. The deal was witnessed by the British High Commissioner to Ghana, Mr. John Benjamin, who signed on behalf of the British government, while Ghana was represented by Mr. Mark Owen Woyongo, the country's Minister of the Interior. A statement issued by Ghana's government has said that on completion, the projects will also improve and renovate some facilities at the Ankafo, Nsawam and Sekondi prisons, help to decongest the prisons, and enable them to meet international standards with best practices such as the treatment of prisoners, especially those remanded. The British government will also provide 2 new buses to transport inmates from the prison to the courts and back. The Controller General of the Ghana Prison Service, Madam Matilda Bafo-Awa, expressed her profound gratitude to both governments for their immense support to the prison service in the country, while encouraging corporate institutions, foreign embassies, philanthropists, humanitarians and the general public to assist in tackling the growing problem of overcrowding in Ghana's prison system. The support to the prison system in Ghana is as a result of reports that were submitted by the United Nations Rapporteur and an expert from Britain who assessed the situation in Ghana both separately. And finally, East Africa is moving towards regional integration with this story from Ventures Africa. We're told that Uganda, Kenya and Rwanda are collectively launching an East African single visa intended to scale up tourist arrivals in EAC member states. They actually do have the right idea, as disappointing news from the World Travel and Tourism Council tells us that of the 1 billion tourists that traveled in 2012, only 50 million were destined for Africa, and East Africa got only 5 million. That's 1% of the total number. Waturi Matu, the coordinator for the East African Tourism Platform, gives her perspectives on this in an interview with hotel booking platform Jovago. She says, "Africa has suffered blanket misconceptions for a long time. We are yet to carry ourselves from the gripping grief of the term dark continent. Africa needs to tell her own story and let the world know that beyond the crisis that exists in every other nation, there exist wide stretches of unique culture, wildlife, flora and fauna, business opportunities and untapped resources." There are many advantages of this plan. Tourists will need to pay only 1 visa fee as opposed to 3, leading to the potential for multinational travel experiences, which of course will mean that tour operators can now plan routes that cut across borders, which means a richer and more unique tourism experience altogether.